The Buick Electra, introduced in 1959, was Buick's flagship full-size luxury automobile, replacing the Super and Roadmaster in the lineup. It debuted alongside a completely new design language that abandoned traditional Buick styling cues, such as portholes and sweep spears. The Electra name is said to honor Electra Wagoner Biggs, a Texas heiress and sculptor, tying Buick's prestige to her prominent family. The 225 badge on top trim models indicated their overall length of 225 inches, earning the nickname Deuce and a Quarter. The first-generation Electra, 1959 to 1960, showcased dramatic styling with canted delta tail fins, wraparound glass, and a long deck profile. Power came from Buick's new 401 cubic inch, 6.6 liters Nailhead V8, branded Wildcat 445 for its 445 pound-feet torque rating, producing 325 horsepower. Early cars featured Buick's twin-turbine Dynaflow and optional triple-turbine drive transmissions, replaced in 1960 by the advanced turbine drive with a variable pitch stator. Innovations included the Miromagic instrument panel, wider opening rear doors, and a refined suspension with a K-braced frame and coil springs. Throughout the 1960s, Electra evolved in style and engineering, introducing 4- and 6-window rooflines, expanded luxury options, and increasingly powerful engines. In 1964, a 425 cubic inch V8 joined the lineup, replaced by a 430 in 1967 and the massive 455 V8 in 1970. The Electra 225 became Buick's top-tier sedan and coupe, rivaling Cadillac in comfort and features. By the early 1970s, sales peaked at over 821,000 units in 1973, but the oil crisis forced downsizing in 1977. The 1980s brought another redesign and a transition to front-wheel drive in 1985 on General Motors' C platform, with models such as the Electra Park Avenue Ultra offering advanced features like integrated aerodynamic headlights and digital instrumentation. Production continued until 1990, when the Electra name was retired to make way for the Buick Park Avenue and Roadmaster. Spanning over 3 decades, the Electra represents Buick's pursuit of luxury, engineering innovation, and bold styling. From its towering fins and powerful Nailhead V8s to its front-wheel drive evolution, the Electra remains a symbol of American automotive prestige.